morning everyone, my name is Akhilesh. Today my topic is about HP laptops. We all know there are different types of technologies. This is one type of technology, laptops. There are different companies of laptops like Apple, HP, Dell. But today my topic is about HP laptops. The first topic is about the founder of laptop. The founder of HP laptops is Bill Hewlett and David Packard. Bill Hewlett was born on 20 May 1913 in Ann Arbor, Michigan, United States. David Packard was born on 7th September 1912 in Pueblo, Colorado, United States. Next topic is about the company. The full form of HP is Hewlett Packard. The company was founded in one car garage in Palo Alto by Bill Hewlett and David Packard on January 1st, 1939. 1984. In 1984, the HP company has made the first laptop called HP 110. Its cost is $2,995. The latest laptop in this year is in 2021. The HP company has introduced HP NV13. Its cost is $799. Thank you, teachers, for giving this opportunity.